guys, welcome back to my channel. So you have met my sister from the last video, Carrion, and we're still riding high from our trip to Grand Palladium. So we're drinking Red Stripe and looking at the images, and we want to share some of that footage with you. So we hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in our next project. Bye. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. What's your name? Tell me what your name is.
I'm a cowboy beer, man.
Yeah, and are you the jerk here?
Yeah, just the jerk, yes, man.
How are you guys managing the COVID situation?
Well, you know, if I just surf in a small spaces and a time like this, we know if we deal with the situation.
I like that all the staff is wearing a mask.
Yeah.
And thing. That's very good.
Yeah, man, we are wearing
masks.
You
guys keep it well.
So you don't know the mask keep it protected, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right. You know, say, as you go along, you just wash your hand in the process same time and everything, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
Good, you're doing a good
man.
job.
So you don't know, we have this sanitize the area.
Yeah.
So, you don't know
yeah. Yeah. What's your station?
My station on the entertainment part, and I mean.
Okay, so you guys had the white party last night.
White party and all these things.
And how did you manage the social distancing last night?
Well, we have to just meditate in the way how it's supposed to go and just keep everybody happy at the same time. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Are you scared? Are you scared of the? Okay.
None at all.
And has there been any
cases here? No.
No.
It's not gonna happen.
I can imagine because you guys are well prepared.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, continue the good work. Okay?
Yeah, man.
Blessings.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
What made it fabulous is that I love the fact that they are keeping all protocols where COVID is concerned. Awesome.
I am coming to the Grand Palladium for the first time, and I must say it has been fabulous. I appreciate all the efforts they have taken to ensure our safety during these very trying times of the coronavirus, and they have ensured that despite the challenges, our stay has been a pleasant one. I would recommend that anyone come here at any time.
Palladium was excellent. The customer service was good. extremely awesome.
In there was excellent also.
Yeah, you could leave the kids and go
Yes, and
for-
they do structured activity, which was good for them.
Yes. Okay. What's your impression?
My impression is grand. Palladium. It's just nice.
Just